Are y'all ready for round two? I suppose you could consider this round two of the bat headdress, because today I'm going to be reusing the ears and making a cute little headdress with just the ears. I did have somebody point out that the ears could be cat-like and that they like the, as they called them, quote, cat ears. I could definitely see that. I guess you could use them kind of however you want, whatever creature you want to be. But they came from the bat. I went with the bat theme. I took another one of those headbands that had the flowers attached. That came with the face jewels. This one I'm taking the rose off and I'm attaching it to some black foliage that came from the purple roses from the other headdress. And I've also glued a really big decorative bow on the side. It's plastic and it kind of stands up off of everything, but I like it because it's nice and stiff. It's got these cute like velvet details on it that are really cute with like bats and moons and stars. And so I put that down first, and now that I have my flower all lined up, I put a fancy little gem in the middle. I'm going to add that flower on with the bow. Unfortunately, I'm holding everything just outside of the screen right here because I'm not paying attention to my surroundings as I'm filming. So there we go, we've got that flower right atop the bow. And then I'm keeping this one pretty simple and really close to the head. I'm just adding additional black foliage and then more of those super cool gems that I just can't get enough of and need to find more of in the near future because they're stunning. Some of the leaves I'm leaving in the three leaf arrangement that they come in on the little plastic spire. Some of them I am cutting out individually and laying more flat, and this is just to make everything fit together nicely. Get some flat to the headband, get some that are kind of fluffed up around the ears, but I don't want the ears to get lost in the foliage, which is why I'm not doing a really large floral arrangement, and I'm keeping just these nice little black leaves and their little gems nice and close to the headpiece. Nothing super crazy spectacular, but it's really cute in the end when you get all the pieces put together. So there's a little bit of the progress. We've got all our leaves, got our little gems. I am coming in with more leaves. I'm just trying to get more of that gray velvet covered up. I did purposely pick the gray velvet because I felt like it matched, but I don't want big chunks of it hanging out. I want to kind of keep it as that underlayer, get it all covered up with my little black leaves here. I have a little Wednesday Addams style dress that I feel like I should just wear this headband out with that little Wednesday Addams style dress. It'd be super cute. Putting in my last touches with the gems. I know this tutorial isn't quite as elaborate and as exciting as some of my others, but I still did want to post it to show you that you can use next to nothing or the scraps left over from a project, things you would have otherwise discarded, and make something really cute and adorable. If you like these pieces, please like and subscribe.